Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. And what about you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Sir, may I know your name?
Yes, sure. My name is Mohammad Sarfraz.
And sir, are you running an academy?
Yes, I am running an academy.
What is the name of your academy?
The name of my academy is Fakhan Academy Sargoda. That is on MM Alam Road near Chili Chutney Hotel, the Fiesta Chili Chutney, opposite to Sonipura.
Okay. Sir, what is the name of your academy?
The name of my academy is Fakhan Academy. Fakhan Academy.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Why you have named your academy Fakhan?
Fakhan. Okay. When I established this academy, I was just after its name, what name I should give my academy. I have many names, but I preferred the name of my parents. I should name it at the name of my parents. So my father's name is Muhammad Khan. My mother's name is Ghulam Fatma. So I got Fatma, F.A. from mother's name and Khan from my father's name. So it is coming Fakhan. Why I put the name of my mother at the first, because being a Muslim, it is our belief that on the day of judgment, Qiyamah ke din, people will be called at the name of their parents, and from parents, mother first. So that's why I kept that name Fakhan, Fatima Khan. I think this is clear to you.
Okay. Ji, sir. Are you starting English language course?
I'm basically teaching all sort of tuition over here, English up to BA, and conducting this, you can say, English language courses also. I'm starting this English language course on 1st of Jan.
Okay.
Sure, I'm starting that.
Okay. Why it came in your mind you have this idea?
Oh, actually, I'm teaching this English courses since so long. The idea of running this course, that was only to help the deserving, poor, and orphans. That's why, because it is a, you can say, just sitting free. It is the COVID-19, so utilize that free time. Why not the help? Poor should be helped. So just to give help to the deserving, orphans, poor, I have established this course.
Okay. Uh, Sir, I am too much interested in speaking English. Will I able will I be able speaking English
Yes, sure, why not? That is not difficult. If it is learned grammatically from the very base, if you learn the basics of this English, that is not difficult. This is learning. And as far as you are saying that fluently, fluent is just with the, you can say, practice. If you practice it daily, communication makes you that fluent. So increase your communication timing, have a
okay.
practice daily for 1 or 2 hours. So inshallah, that's not difficult. That's not, you can say, uh, property of any persons. Any person who tries, who works hard, he achieves that. And inshallah, you will be able to, if you are interested. Your interest is must.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
I can request you
Yes.
again. Can I bring my friends for this course?
Yes, sure. Why not? As I asked you, that that's exclusively for the deserving. So if your friend, she is deserving, she can come. She is most welcome, no problem at all.
Okay.
But only for the deserving. This make sure that she is deserving.
Okay.
That
Sir, what will be daily time of this course?
yes, for girls that will be from 4 to 6, 5:30. For the boys that will be 10 to 11:30. Because I want to conduct these separate classes for the boys and for the girls.
And what will be fee?
Yes, as I told you earlier, that this is exclusively for the deserving orphans,
Okay.
poor. So there will not be, I will not be charging any fee from them. Just I'm extending my help
Okay.
to those students.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for
You're
giving me
welcome.
precious time and information. May Allah blessing you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much. May Allah bless you also. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.